Hey everyone, I'd like to introduce you to these low voltage pathway lights. They come in multiple styles and are all designed to keep places like your yard, garden, or walkway well lit at night without raising that electric bill. These lights are durable with metal ground stakes that don't bend or break even in hard soil. Connecting them is easy. Just take note of the markings on the plugs to ensure proper connections. The light poles snap onto the stakes and the cable comes out through the provided holes, just like this. Follow this simple connection pattern to not only help you keep the lights equal distance apart, but also maintain consistency throughout your connections. Plug the cord into the power adapter and then connect the adapter to an outlet. You will need to connect the power adapter to a router with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. 5 GHz signals have weaker wall penetration and therefore won't connect as efficiently to the lights. Just long press the power button on the controller for 5 seconds until the lights flash. Make sure that as you're connecting devices, that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, and locations are all enabled. Operating the lights from the app lets you conveniently control brightness, colors, set a mood, sync to music, schedule on and off times, and more. Set the lights to red to complement your Christmas lights, or orange for Halloween, or blue for patriotic holidays. Or experiment with a wide range of lighting options for various scenarios like family get-togethers, backyard barbecues, garden parties, and more.